Hey guys, here we go. Here is the 1969 Yamaha AT1. As you can see, I removed the rear fender, chain guard, chain, airbox, toolbox, and the cover and plate for the magneto and the chain. And the chain. So one thing that I had happen to me last night when I was trying to get this chain off is that it was actually literally rusted onto here. What surprised me is that this still turns. So I might not be in such bad shape. Just wanted to give you guys a progress report on that there. This is the actually literally cleaned up inside of that housing there. This is going to have to be replaced due to this crack and chip out of the corner there. Plus we want it to say Yamaha and be original, so we're going to replace that baby. Airbox here, not too bad of shape. Needs cleaned up and painted, but overall pretty good. Need to get some new grommets on there for that. The actual air filter itself is excessively deteriorated. Obviously it's just done. So we'll get that all taken apart. It looks to me like the actual yep, there we go. It took itself apart. Nasty thing. Looks like it's in really good shape though, for the most part. A little dusting and a little cleaning up there, a little spit shine, and that'll be ready to go. That's about it, guys. Alright, thanks.